Outside of central Tokyo, seemingly in the middle of nowhere, is this giant row of retro vending machines. Most of them still work, and this spot is actually quite popular thanks to its feature on Japanese TV. If you didn't know, there are tons of vending machines in Japan, and you can find them pretty much anywhere you go. There is an estimated one vending machine for every 40 people. The most common type of vending machine is like this one, which has hot and cold drinks, but people have gotten more creative with what they've stocked them with. Personally, I've seen things like alcohol, rice, condoms, bananas, and even things like eggs and vegetables in more suburban and countryside areas. This vending machine spot is actually at a tire shop where the owner apparently decided to put his large collection of retro vending machines. There's actually a mini arcade with retro games as well near the washrooms and the area where they change tires. So we went there first. After checking out the arcade, we went to try the vending machines. First, we got the hamburger, which was 280 Japanese yen. Next up was katsudon, which was 350 Japanese yen. The third vending machine meal we tried was soba. This cost 300 Japanese yen. When you're finished with any soup-based meals, you have to pour the liquids into one of these containers and put the bowl back because they reuse them. We took a break from the food to get some omikuji. Omikuji are fortunes written on strips of paper that are traditionally found at shrines and temples. Next, we decided to get something sweet, so we got some kakigori, which cost 150 Japanese yen.
Queen.
Next up was this Japanese curry vending machine, which cost 400 Japanese yen. Oh.
It's just rice and okay.
Next, we decided to try this American popcorn vending machine that plays music while you wait. It costs 150 Japanese yen.
Salt. それではポップコーンの製造開始です。
You can get one more if stop here.
The last thing we got was an ice cream bar, and this cost 140 Japanese yen.